If you don't love us already, well, today's the day we're going to become your favorite YouTube channel. Oh, yes, my friends, it's time to make our life easier and have some fun while doing it. We've gathered for you the top 10 most amazing life hacks. And believe us, you have not heard these before. Are you ready to say mind blown? We hope you are, because here we go. Number 1, chipsticks. Now, ignore the terrible pun we just made and focus on the hack that's going to change your binge-watching marathons. Using chopsticks for chips. Wait, what? Yes, my friends. This amazing life hack will help you keep your hands clean, and let's face it, your clothes as well, because who doesn't wipe their salty hands on their clothes after eating a bag of delicious chips? Plus, you won't eat them all in a single bite. You're most welcome. Number 2, silent poop. Well, there you are at your girlfriend or boyfriend's apartment, and suddenly there it is. The brown bear is ready to break down the gates. Oh no, but the toilet's right next to where you're chilling, and he or she is going to hear every little embarrassing splash. Oh no, wait. Before you decide to call it a night and run for the bushes outside, there's something else you can do. Cut some toilet paper and put it over the bowl. Voila, the sounds are muffled, and you can poop in peace. Just don't put too much, because if there is something more embarrassing than having your other hear your poo-poo, well, it's having your other seeing a clogged toilet with your poo-poo floating like nightmare lilies. Number 3, we scream for Nutella Ice Cream. Now, we realize after talking about poop, we probably shouldn't roll into Nutella, but you're an adult. Wait, right, you are an adult, right? And this shouldn't make you giggle or stick out your tongue. But if it does, then you're like us, so no worries. You know that tragic moment when Nutella is done and you're left with a jar of sadness? It still has a little bit, but it's all stuck to the sides? Get a little ice cream, put it in the Nutella jar, eat it, experience bliss, and repeat. Number 4, summertime and coffee is bleh. Hey, it's hot outside, and you like it. Show off some skin, open the windows wide, birds are chirping, cotton's high, all these little things that make you happy. So you sit down to finally take that first sip of coffee. Dadgummit! It's technically water. Before you throw it on the neighbor's lawn, go out and get some real iced coffee that you're going to pay half a fortune for. Stop. Go make some hot coffee, then pour it on an ice tray and freeze it. And next time you want to make iced coffee, use these coffee cubes. You have successfully created iced coffee that does not taste like lake water. Number 5, almost a spy. When you handwrite something, there's no autocorrection. No shit, Sherlock. But wait, that doesn't mean that when you mess up, you either have to scrap the whole thing or use that awful Blanco fluid that doesn't really work and makes you look like you're still in first grade. There is another solution that will almost make you feel like Bond. James Bond. And if you don't want the crossed words to be legible, simply don't cross over them. Instead, just write random letters and numbers on top of them. It makes for an almost aesthetically pleasing result, and nobody will know that you tried to spell perseverance like 10 times before you got it right. Number 6, towel and chill. You know that feeling when you just return from the supermarket and the bags are heavy because you got yourself a few beers and now you want to relax for a little with the said beer? Yeah, we know that feeling too, but what's the problem with it? The beer's hot. So what's the solution for it? No, not putting it in the freezer and hoping it doesn't explode. Just take a paper towel, pour some cold water on it, and wrap your beer bottle in it, and simply put it in the fridge, and in 10 minutes, your beer will be ice cold and you'll be a happy, relaxed person. You're welcome. Number 7, straw and berries. I mean, the pun's right there. You can't just pass it over. So if you want to remove the stem from strawberries, what do? Cut it in half, lose half the strawberry. Nah, wrong answer. Come on. Answer's right there. Seriously. All right, we're just going to say it. You ready? Are you sure? How sure are you? Well, here we go. Just stick a straw in it. Are you mind blown? Yep. These instructions were there all along. Number 8, but I don't have it. But they do. You know how your friends are absolutely lovable, but they're also horrible when it comes to returning stuff they borrowed from you? Well, with this life hack, you'll never have to have that conversation again. It's really quite simple. Whenever they borrow anything from you, take a picture of them holding your precious thing with your phone. No pun intended. Next time, tell them to return your t-shirt or book to you and they swear they have already, just send them the picture. Busted. Period. Number 9, Cookie Monster version 2.0. You might be bragging to your friends you're the real-life Cookie Monster, but are you? Are you really? Because let me tell you, if you don't know about this hack, you ain't nothing but an average cookie-eating person. But don't fret, though, because we will upgrade your cookie-eating skills straight away. While dunking your Oreos in milk, use a fork.
Use the fork, Luke.
Sorry, but really stick a fork on the side and enjoy a cookie that's not half dipped in fingers that aren't sticky. Now you can go brag all you want. You deserve it. Number 10, the Matchster. The Matchster is the master of matches, the person who has finally managed to conquer the art of matching the pillowcases to the sheets. And now, it can be you. How? It's so simple you're going to bang your head when you hear it. Just put the matching sheet sets inside the matching pillowcase. Less space in the closet, you haven't got to worry about red dot pillowcases against brown vintage linen, and you're ready to go. You are now the ultimate matching champion. You are the Matchster. Go ahead, tell your friends. There you have it for today. These were the top 10 simple life hacks. Which one was your absolute favorite? Well, make sure to let us know in the comments. And as always, like this video, check out our other videos, and subscribe to our channel because guess what? We've got an unlimited number of bad puns, and we want you to listen to all of them and cringe right along with us. Hey, we'll see you next time.
Atomic particles traveling near the speed of light do decay more slowly than stationary particles. As strange and counterintuitive as it seems, time dilation